What's up, guys? Showing off this beauty 917 body. The light the camera actually doesn't do it justice, but it's kind of like a candy tangerine two-tone with pearl custom numbers. But anyways, that body is going on these Outlaw V3s. So just restocked these. There's 2 of them available right now. They're getting these bodies identical, painted by Scott out of Michigan, number 2 and 0. But in this video, we're not going to run the bodies because I don't want to crash, jack the body up. But we are going to test these guys. So these are Outlaw V3 spec racers. A lot of guys ask what make them Outlaw. First, the sponge tires, not allowed in spec racer. The gearing is not to spec, so it's outlawed. And then also the biggest thing is this has a race spec 38 gauge armature, so it's still 5.8 ohms, but it's been epoxied, ground, had all the works done to it. So it's not legal, but for the guys that don't give a crap like me, you just run it and see what happens. So typical spec racer runs, around 2.4s, 2.5s. This thing should go quicker than that. So right there, running low 2.4s. Sounds really good. I got this other mic down here, so hopefully you guys can hear. So 2.40, pretty dang good. So these do have sponge on them. I mean, they are kind of set up for a routed track with this tire size on them, but it is a safe size. The front is still a little bit high too. So if a guy wanted to run this on a Tommy track, he definitely could. But that is it. You can see. Let's see if hopefully you can see. OLW, guys, Outlaw. So Outlaw on the arm. It's ground, so if somebody goes through the trouble to grind that off of there and do all that stuff and wants to try to slip it by tech, it's totally out of our control. I forgot to say too, the other thing that makes these Outlaw is the motor mags. So the motor mags haven't been approved yet. Not really sure what is taking so long, but I kind of don't really care either, because obviously guys don't care, customers don't really care. There's only a small handful of people out there that really matters to. So but you could, if you wanted to, guys, if you wanted to make these non-Outlaw, you would just need to put a different rear end setup in it with slip-ons and a 23 tooth. Change out the arm for one of our 5.8 ohm super stock arms, and put the Pro 4 Spec Racer motor mags in it, or any other level 4/V1 motor magnet. All of them are approved and legal. It's just the V3 Spec Racer magnet. So a lot of guys ask, what motor magnet? Even with the ceramics, we're out of the ceramic motor mags right now, the V3 version, but all V1 ceramic motor magnet, Super G Plus magnet, BSRT motor magnet, all of those things work in there. RPM's ceramic motor magnet for the Ghost Cat should also work in there. So there's all kinds of options out there. Just because we sold out of our ceramics doesn't mean you are SOL. But hopefully you guys can see me, and we are gonna head out. These are on the site. I'm gonna go bag them, throw them in their bin, and they will be waiting for you guys to get them. Lawrence asked real quick why we're not using independent front end. So check it out, Lawrence. Independent front end. So we are using independent front ends. We are just using our blade front tires on these. So super low friction, really fast. Some of the guys that are watching right now have run these also, and they, you know, if they want to comment their thoughts on them. The only downside to them is that they're not available in every 2 thou increments, but these particular ones, 330s, I do have some smaller ones as well. They will be available soon, but these are independent fronts. So yeah, they are independent fronts. So hopefully you guys have a good one. We'll see you later.